everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm doing my premium Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February 2022. So I just did this eyeshadow look for a collab video that will be coming up tomorrow. So if you want to see that video, definitely keep an eye out for it. It will be uploaded at 10 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow, along with everyone else's video in the Faithful Fab 8. But anyways, let's get in and show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm. So this month's theme is Be My Glam-Entine. Really cute. I like how they're keeping with the themes. And the first product is something I chose, which is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. How cool is this that this palette is in the Boxycharm? I do know over the Christmas time, Sephora's had this palette on sale for a long time, and it's no longer available on Sephora's website, but I believe it's still available on Huda Beauty's website. But this palette retails for $67, so it's expensive. Beautiful packaging. A+, really gorgeous. Does have a beautiful mirror, plastic packaging. Colors are gorgeous. This palette's been around for, quite a while now, but it's so pretty. You have like a lot of lighter, cooler tones, and then you have like pops of really fun, pretty colors. Some of the shades remind me of the rose quartz that I just got, but it is a little different because you do have like the teal, like the turquoise blues, and you have purples. The purples are also in the rose quartz as well. But it's really pretty, and I did use this yesterday. I went out yesterday. I haven't gone out in so long, and it held up really nice and it looked really pretty on. So I'm very pleased to get this in my Boxycharm. The second product, I also chose this, is the Dime Beauty Co. Eyelash Boost Serum, which retails for $44. And this is a brand new brand to Boxycharm. I didn't use it yet, because I currently have eyeshadow or eyelash serum I'm using. When I use that up, I'm going to use this. And if I didn't say, I chose this as well because the eyelash serum I'm using right now from Lily Lashes, I believe actually works in, lengthening my eyelashes. I'm actually very surprised by that. So I figured I would get a backup in my Boxycharm. So yeah, I'm excited for this. And the third product I got is from Christopher Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. And this retails for $39, and it is also a new brand to Boxycharm. So this is a fine mist. It smells so nice, like roses. I really enjoy this. I actually got a compliment. I wore this last night too, and I got a compliment that my hair smelled really good. And it says you could make thin, fine, or flattened iron hair feel thicker with full body while delivering an easy style hold using delicate rose blended infused formula. So it's just supposed to help enhance hair's texture and provide a lift on the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. I don't know, I didn't do like a hairstyle that needed volume. I straightened my hair yesterday, so I wanted pin straight hair, but I did love the way it smells. In the future, I would have to see how it does with volume, but I do like this and I'm happy to get this. The fourth product is from Moonlit Makeup. This is Prime for the Night, which retails for $18, and this is a new launch. So it's just an eyeshadow primer. It's a sheer formula. It's supposed to help prevent creasing and help your, vibrant colors last longer. Used this yesterday and used it today. It does remind me of the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, which is so much less expensive. I believe the e.l.f. one's like $2, but it's just like a clear formula, and I don't know, it's nice. I'm happy to get this. I think the packaging is gorgeous. Love it. So yeah, glad to get that one as well. The fourth item is from Vise Beauty, and this is a makeup melt spray. Really cool. It says you don't need any wipes to use this, but if you want, you could spray like a cotton pad to use it to remove makeup on your eyes. I did use this yesterday to remove my makeup. I used the cotton swab for my eyes because I didn't want to spray that directly in my face, and it worked really well removing my eyeshadow. And then I just sprayed the rest of it on my face, kind of rubbed it in and then rinsed my face off with water, and I thought it did really well. So I'm excited to try this. I never tried a makeup remover quite like this, and I was in need of a makeup remover. It almost feels a little oil-based, but it does say it's oil-free, which is interesting. But yeah, glad to get this. And the last item, which is also the fifth item, is from Uma Beauty Badass MF Lip Liner, which retails $16, and this is also a new brand to Boxycharm. So we got a lot of new brands that are introduced into Boxycharm this month, and a new launch as well. So very excited. But this is a lip liner, and I believe it's in the shade Angelo. So it's just a nude right here, more of a little bit of brown, warmer nude. And I did use this yesterday, and I used it today to kind of clean up my lips, and I thought it worked really well. And I'm excited to get something from Uma Beauty. I heard great things about the brand. I do know they sell it in Walmart now. But overall, the total value of my box is $208. And here's the code right here. Maybe I'll put it in the description box as well in case you're interested. But yeah, I'm super excited for this box. I think it was a great premium box. I think mostly because I got this palette. I think this just made the box so special. I'm so excited to get this. I love Huda Beauty's palettes. I think the packaging is gorgeous, and I'm so happy to get this. This is definitely the most exciting product. And the second exciting product to me is this makeup removing spray, just because I always need stuff like this, and I love to get it in a Boxycharm so I don't have to go out of my way and purchase stuff like this. But I am definitely excited to get my base box. When my base box comes, I will film as soon as possible and show you what I got in that. I do film these videos every month, so I would love for you to subscribe and see what else I get in my Boxy. And I also have a TikTok. I believe it's Teresa Ann 83. I don't post much on there, but I do post my Boxycharm unboxings and very quick videos, just show you what I got in case you like that style of videos where it's so like short and sweet to the point. But I will put down my TikTok handle down below as well. But I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I would love to know what you guys got in your Boxycharm. And yeah, definitely stay tuned for the base box. All right, guys, I hope you all have a fabulous day and have a happy Valentine's as well. Okay, bye, guys.